Let's get started with pairing your phone to your child's iOS phone. First, on your parent app, create a profile for your child. Enter the required information. Once you're done, click Create Profile. Then choose Yes, I want to pair. Next, select iOS, iPadOS as your child's device operating system. A unique pairing code will appear. Next, download the Safe Kids app on your child's phone and open the app. Hit Get Started, accept the terms of service, and continue. To pair, enter the code from your parent device and click Pair. Next, you'll need to provide location permission to the Safe Kids app. Here's how. Click Allow to grant location. Tap Allow while using the app, then select Always Allow. For screen time, click Enable when prompted, and then Continue. If you haven't set a passcode yet, you will be prompted to set one first. Then tap on Allow with passcode. Enable app rules and select all apps and categories and select Done. You're all set. Tap on Let's Go to set the recommended rules on your parent app, and you're good to go. Enjoy using Safes to support your family's digital well-being.